What's up, guys? I got a little bit something different for you guys today. In this video, I go with Luke and Gatlin duck hunting. Now, as I've never been duck hunting before, I didn't want to shell out the money to buy a license and all the stamps right away. So in this video, I'm actually not going to be hunting, but just simply watching them hunt and recording it for you guys. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this and would like to see some more hunting videos in the future. We've seen a ton of ducks fly into the pond early this morning. Very few of them actually came within range, though. The ones that did end up coming close came, unfortunately, from where we weren't expecting. There was one good opportunity of the morning, though.
Yeah, more to hear that.
Well, the first day was a skunk, but we were determined to get something for you guys. So after a few days, we got back out there, albeit a little colder. As luck would have it, no real ducks or geese flew in that day. Well, at least, not to our side of the lake. On the bright side, though, there were an absolute ton of these little birds called coots that were all up in the cattails in front of us. We just couldn't get eyes on them. That is, until we decided to split up. As luck would have it, while I was with Gatlin on the other side of the pond, Luke had managed to walk up on and surprise a group of coots, all of which I did not get on video. In the future, I gotta get some gun cams on them and get my license and join them on their hunts too. Here's the day's bounty. After we got back and the guys cleaned them up, they gave me a couple of the coot breasts. I gotta say, with just a little bit of seasoning, they were surprisingly good, and I definitely would look forward to eating them again.
Y'all get in front of me, so you start blasting.
As always, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.